how are you? Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Robert Kiyosaki told us about putting $100 into Shiba Inu today will make you rich. What's going on with the Shib? The markets were still thinking about last Friday's jobs report when the price of the Shiba Inu went up on December 5. The best point shows that the U.S. job market can handle higher interest rates from the Federal Reserve, and it opens up the possibility of a Goldilocks situation in which the Fed keeps raising rates, even though there aren't any big job cuts and the economy keeps growing. That would be a big boost for stocks and give cryptocurrencies a boost on Monday. In this video, we'll talk about Robert Kiyosaki, who said that if you invest $100 in Shiba Inu coins right now, you'll be rich in 20 years. What's going on with the Shib? Don't forget to hit your hands together, share our videos, and subscribe to our channel to see our current Shiba Inu price prediction and expert analysis. Let's start the video without further ado. The Shiba Inu surprised buyers on December 5 when it moved unexpectedly up, gaining 8 in the Asia-Pacific session. The move up came about because the Chinese government took steps to make things easier. It did this by leaving more of its COVID policy behind in hopes of a soft landing in the U.S. As the U.S. job numbers showed, the labor market was very strong. This could change people's attitudes, which could lead to a turnaround as the Fed gets close to making a move. After that, interest rates usually go down quickly. Shib has one important post today. It closed above the green uptrend line to back the current breakout. So, the bulls can take back the area above the trend line and use it as good support for the rise. We expect to see the simple moving average for the last 55 days and the simple moving average for the last 200 days. The SMA is close to 11 cents before. $0.1250 is almost our only barrier for the month of December. Right now, the balance between all types of assets is very fragile. A single title that said something from a Fed member. Other than what the market expects, it would be easy to break the connections that are already in place. This means that the stock's tailwind can stop quickly, and even turn into a headwind, which would cause the price to drop below the green rising line. You can count on help coming from me. 90,000 cents. In the world of cryptocurrencies, one way to stay on top of big market changes is to watch what the biggest players do. These big players on the market are called whales, and they can make the market go up or down. Because the blockchain is transparent, it is possible to watch the movements of crypto whales in real time with tools that are easy to find online. A new chain analysis suggests that crypto whales play an important role in the Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu is a bit more difficult because it is still easy to see it as a way to make money quickly. But it's to the Shiba Inu's credit that the people who made this meme coin have taken real steps to make it worth more. The most striking change was, of course, to make the Shiba Inu burn much faster. When it first came out, there were 1 quadrillion coins in circulation. So if the Shiba Inu wants to get to $1, it needs to keep burning coins. Because there are so many Shiba Inus, this joke coin is still being used. Just 917 cents in dollars. The Shiba Inu Corporation is also making changes to make its coin more useful. For instance, the Shiba Inu is building a new online metaverse where you can buy and sell land using cryptography. They also make deals with real-world stores and shops to get Shiba Inu accepted as a real way to pay. American Airlines is one example of a new gain. When you are ready to book your next trip, you can use Shiba Inu to pay for it. In general, crypto whales are the ones who move the markets. It works the same way as the stock market, where buyers decide what to do with the stock based on what Warren Buffett or a big hedge fund does. So, if you make it a habit to keep an eye on what these whales are doing, you might be able to predict what the market will do next and make more money. Understand how the market is doing as a whole. If you look for great whale coin wallets, you can at least get some good ideas for how to trade. You can also get a better idea of how the biggest crypto owners in the world divide up their investments and how many tokens they hold in total. Because of how much it trades every day, Binance is known as the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. But in the last few weeks, it has shown that it deserves to be one of the biggest players on the coin market. Binance should come out on top after it sold all of its FTT shares and FTX went out of business. At the end of the November sale, the price of the Shiba Inu was 25 lower than its market value. Shib went back to the support level it had broken through before. This could be the start of another drop. Constant hitch-end consolidation over $0.0. There will be a need to make bullish cases that go against each other. On December 5, when the meme coin went up to a 3-week high, Shiba Inu was another big winner. Find Shib until you reach the top level, which costs $9,866. This is happening as the RSI is getting close to its own support level at 56.0. At the moment, the index is worth 55.39. Chris Capper is the real deal. He used to run one of the best trading funds. He is helping a lot of traders with his easy options trading strategy and by sharing his trading signals in real time. The official Shib's Shop Twitter page says that an incredible 3.27 billion shipping tokens have already been burned for the project. This ship is on fire. The tokens project began in November 2021, and over the next few years, billions of Shib tokens are expected to be burned. To burn tokens, you have to take coins out of circulation. Most of the time, it involves sending coins or tokens to an address that doesn't have a secret key so that they can never be found again. In the last 7 days, 50 deals have burned 126 million Shib tokens. In the previous week, 223 million shipping codes were burned. On December 6, these unknown whales moved more than 280 billion Shiba Inus in 3 separate activities. On Binance, someone has sold a lot of money. In 3 operations, these whales that can't be named moved more than 280 billion Shiba Inus. One of the whales has sold hundreds of millions of dollars on Binance, which is interesting. Other poll data shared by the Shiba Plate Twitter account shows that anonymous wallets have moved more than 281 billion Shib tokens in the last 24 hours. This happened after Shiba's sales on Friday added up to 115 billion. 3 transfers with a total of 120,664,363,906 were recorded by a Twitter user. 83,341,872. 681. 783,503,312,552,554. The dog's name is Shiba Inu. The first trade made in the last 24 hours went to one of the wallets.